Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 electric jigsaw. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Electric Jigsaw. Specifications. Brand name, aliexpress. Model number, Cordless Jigsaw. Usage, renovation team. Is customized, yes. Max. Cutting depth, 65 mm. No load speed, 2700 RPM. Frequency, 50 to 60 Hz. Application, wood saw. Rated voltage, 18 V. Power source, battery. Saw type, Jig Saw. Weight, 1.8 kilograms. Item number 4 is, Brushless Jig Saw. Specifications. Brand name, Woberich. Usage, home DIY. Is customized, yes. Max. Cutting depth, 65 mm. Frequency, 50 to 60 Hz. Application, wood saw. Rated voltage, 18 V. Power source, battery. Saw type, Jig Saw. As the item number 3 we've selected, Electric Jigsaw. Specifications. Brand name, Patuo Pro. Motor type, brushless. Usage, home DIY. Is customized, yes. Max. Cutting depth, 26 mm. No load speed, 3000 RPM. Application, wood saw. Rated voltage, 18 V. Power source, battery. Saw type, Jig Saw. Weight, 2 kilograms. Item number 2 is, Electric Jigsaw 3 gears. Specifications. Brand name, Spreeworks. Gear, 3 gears. Voltage, 18 V to 20 V. Power source, battery. Saw type, Jig Saw. Origin, mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, Drill Pro Jigsaw. Specifications. Brand name, Drill Pro. Motor type, brushless. Max. Cutting depth, 65 mm. Rated voltage, 18 V. Power source, battery. Saw type, scroll saw. No load speed, 1000-2900 RPM. Applicable material, wood, plastic, aluminium.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.